to LineTracker, a web app used to filter shops and stores by the lines waiting outside. In our current situation, this is extremely important because it reduces the amount of time people have to spend outside of their homes. The more time people spend outside, the higher time they have of catching the COVID-19 virus. This is especially true for lines near stores because the lines get so long and the 6 feet radius is honestly not enough. So this is our main page. It's a web app. As you can see, currently I'm searching for vegetarian restaurants within 11 kilometers of Ottawa. As you can see, this is Ottawa, we have the radius, and we have all of the selections available. If you do not provide a location, it will default to your current location. The second feature, and the main feature our app has, is the add lines function. Essentially, currently it is crowdsourced. The information for lines is crowdsourced. People report the number of people waiting outside stores and the estimated wait time. In future development, we plan to make this automated using Google Maps location services to automatically predict how many people are waiting outside. So if you look at the back end of how our function works, we have this database. Currently, it has 2 lines that have been reported by users, one at Milvia Street with 5 people in line and an estimated wait time of 10 minutes, and we have one at Sesame Street, which is 10 and 150. So if you look at an example of how this works, we have created a user called Jason. I'm going to show you that if we want the data from Sesame Street, it'll print it out, and then we will report another place, and then we will report an edited version of Sesame Street. And after we regress the data back, the value would have changed. So let's see what happens. So as you saw at the top, we have 10 people in 150 minutes, and then someone else reported it as being 5 and 15, and therefore it is updated. The following code shows that the filter method. We are able to search for coffee, and like I said, if location isn't provided, it defaults to your current location. I'm currently in New York, so as you can see here, we are in New York, state of New York. If we look farther down, the next line of code shows you all the names of these businesses, and as you can see, they are all right here, and we are appearing in New York. And let me show you how our database has changed. If we refresh this, we can see that Sesame Street has updated to 5 people in line and a 15-minute wait, while the new place has also been added. I think this product is extremely useful in reducing the spread of the COVID-19 pandemic.